Welcome back to the channel where passion for cars meets deep dive reviews. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the rebirth of an American legend, the 2026 Chevy Nova SS 396. For decades, the Nova SS name has stood as a symbol of raw power, straightforward design, and everyday usability that made muscle cars iconic. With this new model, Chevrolet isn't just recycling a nameplate. It's reimagining what a modern muscle car can be by blending heritage with technology and performance for a new generation of enthusiasts. From the first glance, you can tell this isn't a timid redesign. The stance is aggressive, the proportions are classic, and the detailing is modern, creating a car that feels both familiar and excitingly fresh. This is the kind of vehicle that stops people in their tracks and makes you want to take the long way home every time you get behind the wheel. Approaching the car from the front, you're greeted by a low, wide nose that draws heavily from the classic Nova SS while introducing cutting-edge elements. The grille stretches across the fascia with a honeycomb pattern framed in brushed aluminum, flanked by slim LED headlights, whose daytime running lights trace a signature pattern unmistakable on the road. Functional hood scoops are not just for show. They channel air to the massive V8 underneath while giving the front end a sense of purpose. The bumper integrates sculpted air intakes and a subtle front splitter to manage airflow and reduce lift at speed. It's a face that's aggressive without being over-designed, the perfect combination of retro cues and modern aerodynamics. Walking around to the side, the car's long hood and short rear deck speak to its muscle car roots, while the sharp creases along the doors and the bulging rear haunches signal that this is a thoroughly modern performance machine. The roofline arcs gently into the rear, giving it a fastback silhouette that's as aerodynamic as it is beautiful. 20-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires fill the wells, and behind them you can spot large Brembo brakes, ready to bring all that power under control. Chrome SS badges on the fenders and optional heritage-inspired side stripes add just the right touch of nostalgia. Around the back, the design team went to great lengths to honor the past while embracing the future. Squared-off LED taillights echo the shape of the original Novas but with a crisp modern lighting signature. A gloss black panel stretches between the lights, proudly displaying the SS 396 badge, and a subtle lip spoiler adds downforce without ruining the clean lines. Below, a functional diffuser houses quad exhaust tips that deliver a soundtrack as thrilling as the car's looks. A deep and throaty growl that rises to a roar under hard acceleration. Opening the door, you step into an interior that successfully blends classic muscle car themes with modern comfort and technology. The dashboard maintains a horizontal driver-focused layout, but is wrapped in premium soft-touch materials with contrast stitching and brushed aluminum accents that feel solid and upscale. The instrument cluster is fully digital, and Chevy gives you the option to display a retro-style gauge layout with round dials reminiscent of the 60s, or a futuristic performance screen with a large tachometer and real-time telemetry. The center stack houses a large, crisp infotainment touchscreen running Chevrolet's latest software, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation, and a suite of performance apps that let you record lap times, G-forces, and engine parameters. The steering wheel is a thick, flat-bottomed unit with integrated controls, paddle shifters for the automatic version, and the SS badge prominently displayed. The front seats are heavily bolstered buckets designed to keep you planted during spirited driving yet comfortable enough for long-distance cruising, upholstered in leather with optional suede inserts and SS embroidery on the headrests. Heated and ventilated functions are available, and memory settings allow multiple drivers to find their ideal position. In the rear, there's enough space for two adults to sit comfortably, a rarity in this segment and a nod to the Nova's original role as a practical performance car. Even the trunk is surprisingly generous, meaning you can take a weekend trip without sacrificing luggage space. Under the hood is where the legend truly lives. The 2026 Nova SS 396 is powered by a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, producing approximately 525 horsepower and 490 lb-ft of torque. True to its heritage, it sends all that power to the rear wheels through a standard 6-speed manual transmission that rewards skillful driving with precise, satisfying shifts. For those who prefer convenience or want the quickest acceleration, times a 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters is available, delivering lightning-fast gear changes with launch control engaged. The Nova SS 396 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.9 seconds, putting it squarely in modern high-performance territory. But straight-line speed is only part of the story. Chevrolet engineers have equipped the car with a fully independent suspension featuring adaptive dampers, allowing you to switch from a compliant ride in comfort mode to a taut, track-ready setup in sport or track modes. The chassis feels balanced and responsive, with sharp turn-in and impressive grip thanks to its performance tires. Brembo brakes at all four corners provide confident stopping power, and the car's electronic stability systems are tuned to intervene smoothly, letting skilled drivers enjoy the rear drive dynamics without constant intrusion. Whether carving through mountain roads or cruising down the highway, the Nova SS 396 feels planted, composed, and alive in your hands. Pricing for the 2026 Chevy Nova SS 396 reflects its blend of performance, heritage, and modern features. The base model with the manual transmission starts around $52,000, making it a compelling entry point into serious performance. Opting for the automatic transmission and performance packages, such as upgraded suspension tuning, premium audio, and unique paint and stripe options, can bring the price up to about $60,000. A fully loaded Nova SS 396 with every available option tops out around $68,000, which still undercuts many European competitors while offering more power, rear-wheel drive purity, and a distinctive American personality. Chevrolet clearly intends this car to be accessible to enthusiasts who crave performance without crossing into exotic car territory. If you're considering this car, the 2026 Nova SS 396 makes a strong case for itself. It's ideal for drivers who want classic muscle car looks with thoroughly modern engineering, a vehicle you can take to a track day on Saturday and comfortably commute in on Monday. It's not as quiet or soft riding as a luxury sedan, but that's part of its appeal. It's visceral, involving, and rewarding to drive. For those who want even more performance, Chevrolet may offer special editions, or you can explore aftermarket upgrades. But in its standard form, the SS 396 already hits a sweet spot of power, handling, and everyday usability. Wrapping up this review, the 2026 Chevy Nova SS 396 proves that Chevrolet understands how to honor its past while embracing the future. It captures the spirit of the original Nova SS while delivering a car that can compete with modern performance machines on every front. With its striking design, potent V8 engine, refined interior, and reasonable pricing, it stands as one of the most exciting muscle cars on the market today. If you've been waiting for a true American performance car revival that blends nostalgia with innovation, the new Nova SS 396 deserves your full attention. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe for more detailed reviews of the latest and greatest cars, and drop a comment below letting us know what you think about Chevrolet's return of the Nova SS 396 legend.